April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we have a gentle yoga-inspired chair stretching session for you. I love yoga. It will strengthen your entire body, you know, from your core to your arms and legs. Also increase flexibility and, you know, just make you feel good. You know, I started yoga about 30 years ago, and I just love how it not only makes my body feel, but also my mind. So we hope you enjoy this. You don't need any equipment. Obviously, you need a chair. We recommend a chair without arms. That would be most useful. And that's about it. You don't need to do this in shoes. We're going to be doing this in our socks. And that's about it. Any questions, Mom?
No, it's just different, both of us sitting.
I know, isn't
I'm
that
usually
nice?
the one who's sitting. It's weird having you sitting.
It's nice to be.
It's okay.
Nice to be at the same level, right? All right. So we'll take a quick pause here and get started. We're going to start just by breathing, okay? So you want to sit solidly in your chair with your feet solidly on the ground. Just want you to put your hands on your thighs, your shoulders back and down, sit with good posture. Okay? And you can even close your eyes for this, okay? So all I want you to do is to take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Okay? And breathe in and out. And let's continue this. You go at your own pace. I just want you to just connect with your breath. And to just monitor what's happening in your body right now. And just breathe. Connecting your body to your breath. Breathe in and out. Let's take 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. It's a nice way to start our session. Okay. Next thing, we just want to bring our arms up. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. And inhale. Exhale, and 1 more. Inhale, and exhale. Nice. All right, so hands on your thighs. We're going to go into some head tilts. And what we want to do is tilt your head to the right, and then gently bring your left arm back. Okay, so you feel a nice stretch on that left side. Yeah. Okay, and hold that for 3 breaths.
Yep. Feel it.
Good. Breathe in and out. And 1 more. In and out. Very nice. Okay, come back to center. Now let's do the other side. So you're going to tilt your head to the left and bring that right arm back. And inhale. And exhale. Let's take 3 breaths from here. Inhale. Exhale, feel that nice stretch in your neck. Inhale, and exhale, and 1 more. Inhale, and exhale. Very nice. And come back to center. You feel that nice neck open up there, Mom? Very good. And let's do some shoulder rolls to the back. Gentle. 1, 2, breathe naturally. 3, 1 more, and 4, and let's reverse that. 1, good, 2, 3, and 4. Very nice. Okay, good job. All right, so our next move is just going to be, let's put our arms in a goalpost position here, okay? And what we're going to do is it's good for your wrists and also your hands, and also obviously your upper body. So as we move up, I want you to open up your hands, bring your arms up as high as you can, and close your fingers into a fist, and then open, and then close, and open, and bring it down to shoulder level here. Okay, we're going to do 2 more sets. Oh yeah, right here I want you to open and close as well. Close, open, close, and open. Okay, bring the arms up. Now, close, open, close and open. Bring it down, close, open, close and open. And one more set. Up, close, open, close, open and down, and close, open, close and open, and rest. Take a breath, breathe in and out. Very nice. Okay, good work. Now our next move is, and you're kind of at the edge of your seat, but I want your feet solidly on the ground. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift one leg, one knee up, and then lift one arm up. So it looks like this. So you're flexing your foot and bringing one leg up and the other arm up. You really feel like you're engaging your core here. So don't lean, make sure you're sitting up straight. Hold for 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and come on down. Nice work, everyone. Okay, you have to do the other side. Flex that left foot and bring the right arm up and sit up straight. You're probably feeling, you may want to lean, but try to keep that core engaged. Breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. Give me 2 more breaths. And exhale, 1 more. Inhale and exhale and rest. Really nice, everybody. Okay. Our next move is going to be, it's called the goddess move. So knees wide apart, so you're coming to the edge of your seat here, okay? And all I want you to do is, just kind of feel a nice stretch in your thighs here, okay? That's all I want you to feel here, okay? And you might want to just lean forward slightly. No bending of the spine, but just lean forward slightly. Okay, and hold and breathe. Breathe. Very nice. Breathe. Take 3 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Okay, very nice. All right. So now what I want you to do is just the same position here, but let's bring, oh, hello, sweet boy. Hello. Bring that arm up over your head. Okay? Have that right hand on your
Join
thigh.
us, stretch.
Yeah, nice stretch, Mochi.
Yeah.
Yes, hello. Oh, hello. Yes, good boy. Hold this here and breathe, everybody. Nice. Breathe. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the other side now. Let's come back to center, and we're going to bring that right arm up and breathe, everyone. Feel that nice stretch on the side of your body. Yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, breathe in and out. You're really stretching out your shoulders and your arms. You're engaging your core, even your back muscles. Very nice. Okay, and come on down. Very nice. Ooh, how are you feeling, Mom?
Okay.
Oh, good boy. All right, good work. Now we're going to go into, want to come up here? Okay, we're going to go into what we call Warrior One. So if you're seated at your chair, so what you want to do is maneuver yourself so that the center of your body is facing the corner of your chair here, okay? Right. And so you want your right foot on the floor solidly. And if you're a beginner, you can just stay in this position right here.
That's what I'm going to do.
Okay, great. But if you're more advanced, you can straighten out that left leg, okay? And your hips should be square to your right side. So if you're with me here, you're feeling this nice stretch in your thigh. Oh, hello.
Hi,
Come
babe.
on. Yeah, hello. And then bring your arms up and breathe, everybody. So the goal is to bring your arms up the side of your ears. If you can't get them high, that's fine. But you just hold this here. You stretch to the point where you feel the stretch. It doesn't have to be what we're doing here. You just want to go to the point where you feel a stretch. And over time, you'll be able to increase your flexibility. Breathe. Oh, hello. Hi. Mochi wants to get in on a stretching session. Okay, very good. Hello. And so now, let's bring our arms down to shoulder level. This is Warrior Two. And breathe, everybody. Breathe in and out. Make sure you're breathing. Keep looking. Yes, nice relaxed eyes, shoulders. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1 more. Inhale and exhale and bring it down. Oh, very nice, everybody. I've got a little helper in back of me. Oh, hello. I have a little
He's
helper.
practicing yoga.
He's practicing yoga with us.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Okay, so now we're going to move ourselves to the other side of the chair. Okay, so remember, your center of your body, right in the corner of the chair. And if you're with my mom, you're just staying right there.
Yeah.
If you're with me, you're kicking that leg back, toes facing to the side here, okay? And solidly on the ground. Now, arms up. Arms up to the side of your ears, Mom. If you can bring it up to your side of your ears. There you go. And if you can't get that high, oh, hello.
You can do this too.
That's right. You stretch to where you feel, you move to where you feel the stretch.
Right.
If it's here, that's fine. If it's here, that's great. Breathe. Just breathe, everybody. Yes, very nice. Very nice. And your hips again are square to the side. Okay, breathe. Oh, hello. Yes, you want to stretch with us? Okay, and let's bring those arms down now to shoulder level. Here you go. Yes. Very good. Feel that stretch. Breathe. You know, look to your left. Breathe. Very nice. Take 2 more breaths. Nice. And 1 more. And nice. And come back to center. Hope you felt that stretch. Okay. Nice work, everyone. All right. So we're getting down to the last move. So we're in a chair. So we're going to do a modified chair pose is what they call it, okay?
Okay.
So coming to the edge of our seat. And we're going to bring our arms up again. But we're going to hinge at our hips. This is, remember that direction? Don't bend at your waist. But slight hinge at your hips and bring the arms up. Yes. That's right. This is that chair pose. If you're advanced, you do this without sitting on the chair. That's what it looks like, yeah. Okay, breathe, everyone. Yeah, breathe. If you wanted to go deeper into that hinge, you could, but that's okay. You don't have to. It's just holding this position to really lean into the stretch. Breathe. Let's take 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. And inhale. Exhale and come on down. Really nice. Okay. All right. We're gonna do 1 more move. We're just gonna bring our arms up again. Inhale and exhale. Good. We're basically finishing how we started. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. And 1 more. Inhale with a little clap at the top. Inside out hands and a nice little side lean. Good job.
That's good.
Okay, and come back to center, and the other side. Oh, really nice. And come on down. Oh, all right, very nice. Now let's just sit here. Put your hands on your thighs. You just close it out with a little nice chill inhale, exhale. Just inhale, exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale, exhale, and 1 more. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, gently open your eyes. And nice work, everyone, on this chair yoga inspired workout. We hope that it was helpful and you feel refreshed. We invite you to try our other stretching videos that can also help you increase flexibility and relaxation. And we thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, please give a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. It helps us reach even more friends around the world. And if you like this video, even share it. So we look forward to seeing you in a future video. And in the meantime, keep stretching and breathing.
See you soon.